Les Kimball was the chairman of the West Fresno Christian Academy Board, but he did everything all the time to show love toward people, all the people in the community. He loved them. And all the despised and discouraged, he always made it possible for them to have hope. And that's why the song, he lived love. He didn't just talk about it. He was actually love. So God bless you. Thank you.